All right, when I think I've tuned the video today we got some really cool stuff that showed up for the bad boy mower. Some things were included in the purchase. The dealer actually threw in a 300-hour oil change kit for me and an air filter. It's really nice of them. And then I ordered the LED light kit, which is, this is original bad boy equipment right here. Plug and play switch. And then y'all, this right here, well, if you want to upgrade your wheels on your lawnmower, this is how you do it right here. Okay, got those mounted today, y'all. Fixing to get all this put on. I haven't cleaned the soap off of it. They get a little soap on it when they mounted it, but anyway, y'all, got all that done. Now the next thing is we're going to show you is the mulch kit. Okay, let's talk about the mulch kit. Every zero turn I've had, from my Kubota ZD 1211s to the diesel zero turns to the small gas ones I've had in the past, y'all, I know I have the John Deere with the cabin air and I do a lot of mowing with it, but y'all, my John Deere with cabin air has a mulch kit on it. Okay, and that's not just the flap, don't get that confused. Okay, a mulch kit, I'm gonna show y'all this kit for the bad boy here in just a minute. Every brand offers a mulch kit, but a true mulch kit is not just blades. It actually closes off each section under the deck, and y'all, you don't have a discharge, so you're not blowing into your flower beds. It doesn't matter which way you mow, right? You can mow however you want. It does eat up a little bit more of your power, and you're gonna have to keep your grass a little better maintained. You can't let your grass get so tall, because then you have to go slower because it's chewing that grass up at a cost of the horsepower. But for me, I mean, when I mow my grass, I don't have to worry about, like I said, I don't have any grass sitting. It clips it up and it's nice. Okay, the other benefit of the mulch kit is y'all, I can almost put a drink cup in my cup holder with the mulch kit when I mow on a zero turn. Okay, it knocks that dust down just because you're not blowing all that out, right? It's mulching it up under the deck. So that's one of the huge benefits. You know, if you maintain your yard pretty often, you know, you don't let it get too out of hand, you know, because if you put this mulch kit on, the con is, you know, if you let your grass get 5 inches tall, you're gonna have a hard time mowing it with that mulch kit. So that's the only con to it, is you really got to stay on top of it. But y'all, the benefits of having a nicely cut yard and not having to blow off all your sidewalks and your porches and, you know, stuff like that after you get done, real benefits. So anyway, let me clear all this stuff out I've got here, and then let's get into this box and I'm going to show y'all what's included in that box. Okay, so I got this mulch kit behind me. Like I said, if you've never had compartments like this, blades that have a longer blade all the way up in this wave in them, you've never truly had a mulch kit. And if you say, well, I've got the on-demand mulch, now you're closing the flap and you're running some mulch blades, that's still going to leave grass. Okay, y'all, this is truly a mulch kit. So this is basically what it looks like. It comes with the instructions. We got the bolts, and you can see right here, move the flap and you're going to see where these 3 pieces go in. And y'all, the deck's pre-drilled for these. It was on my John Deere. It has been on all my equipment, my Kubotas. These kits generally run $350 for any of those mowers. Okay, moving forward, if you're going to use a mulch kit, make sure that you get these blades. If you put regular blades on, it's not going to work very good. So anyway, I'm going to get this on my mower. Sorry it's getting dark here, but just wanted to show you. I'm going to add a little bling. Those are the bad boy, I think they're called Vector wheels. You do need special lug nuts for those because your stock lug nuts aren't going to work, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna get this mulch kit bolted up. I'm gonna get some mowing done with eating a lot less dirt than I used to before. So anyway, if the video helped you any, please hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.